I'm a wedding planner by day, a mom, and a homemaker. Follow me in Sherilyn's world. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and check all. Let's go! Welcome back to my channel, Sherilyn's World. In this episode, we're going to discuss how to use eggshells as a seed starter. So here you take your egg and then figure out which is the pointed end, and the pointed end is where you're going to tap your egg. So you're going to crack the pointed end and then you're going to take it apart gently, just like that. And then get the egg out. And then you're going to want to rinse it and clean the whole inside, after which you're going to leave them outside to dry. So after they've dried for a couple days, you can make a hole in each one. One hole will do just to provide good drainage for your seed starters, your eggshells as your seed starters. So you can use any apparatus to poke a hole. You can actually even use a toothpick. Here I'm just using a small tool just to poke a hole just like that. That way we have good drainage and it won't get muddy. So here I'm using Loam soil, which I have bought online. I'll provide the link in the description box below. But the good thing about Loam soil is it provides really good drainage. So in this situation, you don't have to worry about water being stuck there for how many hours. It totally drains automatically and easily, just like that. So fill the eggshell about halfway with soil, Loam soil. There you go, just like that, about halfway. So you don't have to use a shovel, you can even use just a spoon, because you don't even need that much soil in your eggshell. So it's that easy. And then you're going to want to poke a hole in the middle about the size of the diameter of your finger, just like that. And then put about 5 to 8 seeds in one eggshell. It depends also on what exactly you're planting to know which or how many seeds you need. But here I'm planting green bell pepper, so I can put about like 5 to 8 seeds in one eggshell that I'm going to use as a seed starter. So there you go, I'm going to do that for all of them. It's that easy. So you don't have to buy any fancy seed starter apparatus. You can actually just use your leftover eggshells just like that. And then you're going to want to spray them like this, and you're going to want to spray them every day. That way they get saturated with water, but you don't want them too full. This is the green bell pepper after 1 week. They sprouted right away. And then this is after 3 to 4 weeks. They've already developed about 4 leaves each. And then you want to make sure that they have about 4 leaves before you transplant them. Because when they have 4 leaves, it means they're already strong. So here's one eggshell that I've done. They have 4 leaves, so it's ready. You're going to want to crush the eggshells. That way the roots can grow through the egg. And then we're going to transplant them into a bigger pot full of soil. So the benefits of having eggshells as your seed starter is that eggs are rich in calcium for plants. So plants, for example, when they have blossom and rot, is a problem when you're growing tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. It can actually decimate the entire crop. So when your plants are looking weak, the calcium helps them to recover and grow strong. So eggshells are actually a natural fertilizer for your plants. So here we're going to spray it just like that because we've just transplanted them. We don't want them to go into shock, so you're going to put them just in a partially shaded area for a few days. That way they don't go into shock. and then watch them grow. That's the end of our video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Goodbye.